Who got the power?
Welcome to the 14th tutorial on Theme D. We will be looking at different case studies and investigative journalism. Investigative journalism is the deep investigation of a topic of interest, such as serious crimes, political corruption or corporate wrongdoing. Scrutiny means to examine something carefully. After several people had been killed while cycling in London, the Times started a Cities Fit for Cycling campaign. It started after one of their journalists was in a serious accident. It changed people's views on cyclists and made the roads safer. The media has always taken on issues in society and exposed them to public inspection. The aim is to right wrongs. Investigative journalism helps to sell papers as the results of the research are published. A recent investigation into the living and working conditions of workers on tea plantations in India showed many failures. People were living in poor housing with dreadful sanitation. Their wages were so low they couldn't afford to feed their families. As a result of this investigation, big brand tea companies in the UK have promised to work with the people who run the plantations and improve conditions. When businesses and government come under scrutiny, they often change. If businesses are shown in a bad light, they may lose customers. This will have an impact on their profits, so they will probably change the way they work. When the way the government works is challenged, it may change its policies or organization. It fears losing votes at the next election and therefore losing power. In the exam you might be asked to explain the objective of investigative journalism or why governments are likely to change their policies if wrongdoing is exposed.